Today, let me show you how to use the Hub Locker option to prevent package theft on Amazon. So using this feature, Amazon delivers your package to a secure and self-checkout kiosk so that you can retrieve your products without having the fear of it being stolen. In order to add this or add a Hub Locker, what you need to do is head over to your profile section and then head over to the account settings. Once you're inside of the account settings, you'll be able to see the option which says your address. You can simply tap on this option, and by default it's going to show you the address that you have added inside of your Amazon. In order to select a Hub Locker, you can tap on the option which says add a new pickup location. Now these are all of the locations that are currently available and which are near your location. You can also add in your address, your zip code, as well as a landmark to get a nearer location. So once you've done that, you can pick a location that is currently open and then tap on the add to address book. This way you can ship to this address whenever you're trying to buy a product on Amazon, and during checkout ensure that the locker is selected as your primary shipping address so that any products that you buy inside of Amazon will be automatically shipped to this new locker that you selected. Once the package is delivered, Amazon will send you an email or even an app notification containing a 6-digit access code or a barcode that you'll need to scan. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to prevent Amazon package theft. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next video.